Do you ever ask yourself, how much sleep do I really need? Me too.
Did you know an estimated 164 million Americans are sleep deprived? You're probably one of them.
Let's discover our 8 favorite tips to finally help you fall asleep. Tip number 1, sleep cool. Our bodies need to cool down before going to sleep, so some ways that you can achieve that are by turning down the thermostat, wearing loose clothing, or buying a cooling mattress such as this one. Tip number 2, avoid blue light before bed. Blue light comes from things such as our phones, computers, TVs, and even the sun. Exposure to blue light can suppress the melatonin in our bodies, so to get better sleep, you want to avoid blue light 2 to 3 hours before bed. Tip number 3, eat more melatonin. You can take this if a doctor recommends it, or you can find natural melatonin in foods such as eggs, berries, and nuts. Tip number 4, establish a bedtime routine. Do the same thing every night to train your body to recognize when it's time for bed. Some options you can incorporate into your nighttime routine are journaling, reading a book, showering, stretching, and applying lotion. Tip number 5, try natural remedies. Okay, hear me out. Chamomile can make you sleepy. Vanilla has anti-anxiety properties. So try some lavender tea. You never know if it can help you sleep. Tip number 6, buy a new mattress. We spend approximately 8 hours a day laying down, so why not invest in a good mattress that's right for you? Like this one, or this one, or this one. It may not be the cheapest option, but it may be the most effective. Tip number 7, create a calming bedroom. Your bedroom should feel safe, calm, and stress-free. Some ways you can achieve a calming bedroom are, number 1, clean your room, simple as that. It's recommended that you wash your sheets at least once every 2 weeks. Purchase air purifying plants. Put everything in its place and aim to keep the floors clean. Light a candle, create that ambiance to help you feel relaxed. And my favorite tip, use a weighted blanket. It'll give you that snug feeling that helps you fall asleep. To learn more about creating a calming bedroom, read our blog linked below. Tip number 8, use background noise. Use soothing sounds to help you relax your mind. White noise helps slow down your brain waves to help you fall asleep. You can also listen to things like the noise from your fan, birds chirping, waves crashing, or rain falling. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps you sleep better tonight. Comment below and let us know your favorite sleeping tip. Subscribe and ring that bell. Good night. Chamomile is proven to help you sleepy. Chamomile is proven to help you sleepy.